welcome back to AK Apt Logics. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the SystemVerilog comments. How we are going to use SystemVerilog comments. We are going to see that. Okay. So this is basically an EDA playground. Okay. So I'm going to start a SystemVerilog series. This is the first video. I haven't discussed about any basic details about SystemVerilog. SystemVerilog is a extension to the Verilog language. Okay, Verilog is a hardware description language, whereas SystemVerilog is a hardware verification and design description language. Okay, so it is used for writing the test benches. Mostly, it is used for writing the test benches. Okay, it is also used to write the design codes as well, but mostly we write design codes in the Verilog itself. Okay, so it is used for the both verification and design description language. So we are going to discuss about this language. So there are comments, two types of comments. Those are single line comments and then single line comments, and also multi-line comments. Comments are similar in both Verilog and SystemVerilog. So this is the multi-line comment. You can write anything in between the forward slash and then asterisk forward slash. In between the both you can write anything. Okay, so and the point you need to remember is you can nest single line comment in the multi-line comment. Okay, but you cannot nest multi-line comment like this in the multi-line comment. You cannot nest like this. Okay, you will get an error. Okay, for example, I am going to save the code. We need to select the tool before saving. I am going to select this tool. Okay, now save it. Okay, this is the EDA playground. Okay, this when I am going to discuss the practical part, I'm going to tell you how to use this particular EDA playground. Okay, don't worry about it. If you are going to watch my Verilog practical videos, in that video I have also told you how to use this particular EDA playground. That's not a matter of learning. Okay, when you are ready to code, then I'm going to say you how to use this EDA playground. But now you are not ready to code, right? It's just a simple topic about comments, right? So I don't want your time to be wasted. Okay, I want you guys to learn straight to the topic, so that I'm continuing. Okay, so see, I'm going to run the code. Maximum the code won't run. Why? Because there is no any module, right? There is no any module, so that the code doesn't run. But there is a error, right? See, there is a error in the 17th line, column 2. See, this is the error. This is not turned into the this is brown color, right? This is not turned into the brown color, so that means it is not taking as a comment. What we have done, we have nested the multi-line comment. So this is the multi-line comment. Okay, we have nested it in another multi-line comment. This is not possible in this Verilog, and also in SystemVerilog as well. In C programming language is also well. Okay, we can nest single line comment. This is the single line comment. We are nesting the single line comment in the multi-line comment. See, this is possible, but nesting the multi-line comment in the multi-line comment itself is not possible. Will give you an error. So use comments very usefully. So this is what I am able to tell you. Okay, so I think that's it for the video. Let me check it. Actually, why we are going to use the comments means to make our code understand by others, or to make our code understand by ourselves after a long time. Okay, and also it is used to hide some part of the code and execute some other part of the code. Okay, like this we have so many users using the comments. So that's it for the video. Thank you.